how to turn on or turn off touch accommodations to fix touch screen issues on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down and tap on Touch. Then tap on Touch Accommodations. In here at the top, tap on Touch Accommodations. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here, so if you have trouble using the touch screen, adjust the following settings to change how the screen will respond to touches. So turn it on, and from here you can change the hold duration. So you can turn it on to adjust the hold duration. You can also choose to turn on ignore repeat to make adjustment to the ignore repeat. And you can also change the tap assistance behavior. So here we can set it to off, use initial touch location, or use final touch location. So here's the enable tap assistance to allow any single finger gesture to perform a tap. And that's it. After you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.